To print out appointments for a patient, you're going to be in your appointment book, which you open in Medisoft, and that's the 6 icon from the left, and it's going to open this window here. You have to be sure and change the year to 2022 because that's what we're working in. So I have 2 appointments scheduled for October 14th. When I'm ready to print those appointments, I go to Reports, I go to Appointment List, and it says preview the report on the screen. That's what I want to do first. Now I have to put in the dates that I want. So my appointments are on October the 14th, so I can just do 10/14 for 2022. Okay. And your end date is going to be the same because you print one day at a time. So 10/14/2022, and then I say OK, and these are my appointments. Now don't forget to schedule yourself for an appointment like 8 o'clock at night so that when you print it you'll know that it's yours. That's the only way to get your name on the form. From there you are going to go to print, and you simply print the report. When you're done printing, you close, and you do this for each day. So when you're ready to print another day's report, just go to a report appointment list, put in the day that you want to print, click on OK, and then of course you're going to print them. So that's for appointments. Now for the new patients that you have to set up, I'm going to close my appointment book. New patients are under the list menu and patients, guarantors, and cases. So what you're going to have to do for the new patients that you have set up, Aaron Mitchell and David Kramer, you are going to have to show me that you have printed that information by actually going to that patient's name. And I'm going to do David Kramer, and because he's already set up, I'm going to do Edit Patient. Now you have 2 parts in Medisoft. You have patient and you have case. So first I'm going to do Edit Case, and for the screen that you have entered information, there are 2 tabs, the name and address tab and other information. What you're going to do, and I can't demonstrate this on your keyboard, you're going to do the print screen function, and once you have used the print screen function, it's going to post it to the clipboard. You'll just open Microsoft Word and you'll paste it into Microsoft Word. Now when you have finished with that, you'll go to the other information tab, you'll do a print screen from your keyboard, you'll paste it into Word, and you're done. So you can close this window. Then you'll go to Cases. For that same patient, you'll edit Case, and for this one you're going to do the Personal tab, and you'll print screen and paste it into Word, and you're going to do the Policy 1 tab, and you'll print screen and paste it into Word. Then you'll print the Word document and submit it, and that will let me know that you entered this information in the system. There's no other way to print it, so that's why we have to do the print screen and paste it into Word so that you can post it from Word. I hope this will help. Please let me know if you have additional questions.